Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So as you guys can see, I have my brows looking all messed up because I just got done doing them, but I wanted to show you guys today how I do my makeup. Most of you guys have been asking, how I do it, but it's nothing special, but something that I just do it the way I want it. So I wanted to share it with you guys today. And since I already did my brows, I'm just going to go ahead and start with my face. So let's get into the video and do it. I'll show you guys the foundation I use. That's the foundation I use. And that shade, what is it? N100. Yeah. But not this thing is summer. I've been doing this thing. I mix it with this is concealer L'Oreal, but I took like a darker shade so I can use it as my contour, but I always mix it with my foundation. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that for you guys. I mixed that. I mixed with my primer. I already primed my face though when I was doing my my brows, but actually I got this one yesterday from Walmart. It said it should help with oily skin, but it feels good on my skin. I got this from Walmart yesterday, and I'm just going to mix all of this together. Are you almost out? All right. That is it going to be enough? Now, this brush I'm using, I got it from TJ Maxx, so I really don't get, like, I get my stuff just from a drugstore. So my beauty blender is already damp, and I'll just go ahead and Alright guys, also the reason why I mix my foundation the way I did, I have super oily skin, and whenever I do that it helps me a lot. So let's go ahead and go with our concealer. I'm going to use this Bare Skin concealer. It's in shade I don't know this shade, whatever thing, medium to deep. Oh. Alright, for this contour friend of mine, I still mix it with my foundation because I got it and it was just way too dark for me. And more to that, I never used to use it, and I saw people using it and I was like, let me try. But one thing I realized is that this one I got, whenever I put it on, it dries out so fast. and I don't enjoy blending it that good. So I started doing what I'm doing because so we're going to go ahead and set our face with aspirin. It's in I don't know, guys, but yeah, you can always get this from Walmart, anywhere, literally. I'll go ahead and use this one. This is next. It's empty. Don't forget this part. It's very, very important. Alright, let's go ahead and contour my nose. Yeah, I killed it, right? We're going to fix this. It's okay. Now just go back in here with the same brush. That was not bad. I'll take that little brush again and just do this, you know. I think my face there's enough of baking. I don't want to keep it for too long. I'm going to go in with my MAC powder. And I'm going to go in with this brush, Morphe brush. What is it called? Lash powder. That's how they wrote on it. All right, I'm just going to go into my this next off tropic and get this shade to do what? Blush. All right, now it's time for me to set my face. And while I'm letting it dry, I'm just going to go ahead and do something simple on my eyes. I'm setting my face with this Dewy Finish setting spray from NYX. And I don't know why I'm shaking it, but I always do. I'm going to go back with I'm going to go in with this shade right here. This Lady Magic collection, I got her from TJ, and I'm going to go in with this kind of, this one right here. It's like dark but not dark, so I'm going to go in with that one, and we're going to be putting her on the outside. What shade do I want to go up there with? Let's go with her. My brow bone. I'm enjoying this actually. And then I'm actually going to go in with that one for my just like that. So for my bottom line, I'm going to go with this shade right here. I actually almost forgot that. I'm just going to go with this clear lip gloss, glowing lip gloss from L'Oreal. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. It feels like, it feels really mattified and good, and that's how I like my makeup to feel, because as I told you guys, I have oily skin, and ever since I started doing this mixture that I just did, it worked really good. My makeup stays good. So if you know, if you have oily skin, you might want to try that. So yeah, this is just the simple look I was doing today, nothing serious. Yeah, just nothing serious. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and this video might be really super long because I was just trying my best to show you guys a little bit of what I do. But as I said, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you guys like this kind of videos from me, since my husband and I cannot do this kind of videos, just comment down below. And I will not be doing too much when it comes to my eyes because I really don't, but I could just be doing this, and yeah. I'm going to let you guys go now, and we'll see you guys in that next video.